Cracked heels are one problem that happens when your heels become excessively dry and the skin around your heels begin to rupture. In worst cases, there are wide cracks in the skin. Blood comes out through cracks and also is extremely painful. In this video, we will talk about some of the important causes of cracked heels. 5 effective home remedies for cracked heels. But before moving ahead, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to the channel for such amazing videos. Now, some of the important causes of cracked heels are not providing enough moisture to the feet, lack of essential nutrients in the body, not taking care for feet, walking barefoot for a long time, not drinking enough water throughout the day, increasing ages. Now let's talk about 5 effective home remedies for cracked heels. Number 1. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is well known for hydrating the skin by providing much required moisturization. It also helps to remove the dead skin. To use this remedy, all you need is 2 spoons of coconut oil and a pair of socks just before going to bed. Soak your feet in warm water for 5 minutes and then pat it dry with a clean towel. Then apply the coconut oil onto your cracked heels or the entire feet and then wear the clean socks. Wash your feet once you wake in the morning. By doing this remedy continuously for about 2 weeks, you will start noticing the difference as your cracked heels will start to heal, making it smooth and soft. Number 2. Lemon and warm water. Another remedy that can really help you is lemon and warm water. Mix 4 to 5 spoons of lemon juice in 1 to 2 liters of warm water. Now place your feet for about 10 to 15 minutes and then pat it dry with a clean towel. You can do this remedy once or twice a day. Number 3. Glycerin and rose water. While glycerin is known as an excellent skin moisturizer, rose water is well known for its hydrating properties. To use this remedy, mix 1 spoon of glycerin and half spoon of rose water and then apply it on your heels daily before going to bed. Wash your feet once you wake in the morning. By doing this remedy continuously for about 2 weeks, you will start noticing the difference as your cracked heels will start to heal, making it smooth and soft. Number 4. Paraffin wax and mustard oil. This remedy should only be used when the cracks are too deep and also very painful. Paraffin wax has moisturizing properties that soften the skin and mustard oil helps to heal the cracked heels. This remedy will provide instant relief from cracked heels. For this remedy, all you need is 1 spoon of paraffin wax and a half spoon of mustard oil. Take a pan and heat the mustard oil and then slowly add paraffin wax. Heat until the paraffin wax dissolves. Then let it cool for a while and then apply this mixture on your cracked heels. Do this remedy once or twice a week before going to bed. Within just a few weeks of uses, you will start noticing the difference. Now, number 5. Aloe Vera Gel. Aloe Vera Gel is often recommended for many skin-related ailments. The amino acids present in the Aloe Vera Gel is really effective in not only healing the cracked heels but also in smoothing the heels. To use this remedy, place your feet in warm water for 5 minutes, then pat it dry with a clean towel. Now apply the aloe vera gel onto your ankles and then wear the clean socks. Do this remedy every day for a few weeks before going to bed. You will start noticing the difference in your heels as it will become healed and smooth. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, stay healthy and stay blessed. Thank you.